Welcome to another Dunedin Public Art Gallery home learning workshop, and today it's ice block stick flyers. And what you're going to need is some ice block sticks. You can go out to the freezer and get yourself some ice block sticks and eat about 5 of them, or you can buy ice block sticks from the supermarket. Now you might also need some felt tip pens. This takes me back to my childhood, because we used to save our ice block sticks and make these flyers. And so I'm going to make a flyer for you right now. Just going to put this one on here and then put that one up there. And that's one we called a teepee. Don't need any glue, it's all held together just by the tension of the sticks. And you can fly that and it'll crash against the wall and split into lots of different sticks again, and you just put it back together. And here's another one we called a boomerang. So I'm going to show you how to make those, but it's probably going to be easier if I use some coloured sticks so you can see what I'm doing. So I've got some coloured sticks here. So I'm going to take a red one and crisscross a yellow and a black one underneath. I'm going to put my thumb on there and hold it on really tight. Now watch how I slide the blue one on and then the green one on. And there's my teepee all ready to fly. Let's see if we can make a boomerang. I'm going to crisscross the red and the green one and put the black one in so it makes a bit like an A. And then I get the yellow one in and come under there, whoops, get the yellow one in, come under there, put the tension on. Oh, that didn't work, let's have another go. Put the black one in there, put the one under there, and then here it is, there's the boomerang. Have fun with your ice block sticks.